Python has multiple data types and data structures that you can use to store and manipulate data efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the Python data type frozenset. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're talking about a lesser known but surprisingly useful data structure in Python, the frozenset. If you know how sets work, this is their immutable cousin, and it opens the door to some powerful use cases. Let's take a closer look. Frozenset is a built-in Python data structure that represents an immutable set. That is, a set whose elements can't be changed after creation. Just like a regular set, it holds unique, unordered, hashable elements. But unlike a set, a frozen set cannot be modified. Regular sets are mutable. You can add or remove elements at any time. But sometimes you need a set that you can safely use as a dictionary key or store in another set. That's where frozenset comes in. It's hashable and immutable, so it behaves more like a tuple than a list. Frozenset is useful when you need to use a set as a key in a dictionary, you want a read-only version of a set, you're working with caching or memoization where immutable keys are required, or you're dealing with sets of sets and need the inner sets to be immutable. So, if immutability and hashability are important, frozenset is the answer. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Frozenset elements must be hashable, just like in regular sets. It supports all set operations, union, intersection, difference, etc. It is immutable, so no add or remove function. It's hashable, which means it can be used as a dictionary key or stored in a set. It's great for creating fixed sets that should never change. Let's look at how to create and use frozenset in Python. You can create frozen sets from lists. Here we create fs1 from the list 1, 2, 3, and likewise we create fs2 from the list 3, 4, 5. To display a frozen set, all you need to do is print it. You can also do set operations on frozen sets. Here we do a union of fs1 and fs2. We also do the intersection of the two sets. And finally, we do the difference. Note, for the difference, the order is important for the set operation. Because they are immutable, you can use frozen sets as a dictionary key. Finally, you can't modify a frozen set. If we try to use an add function, we're going to get an attribute error. As you can see, frozenset gives you all the power of sets while making sure your data stays consistent and secure. So that's a quick tour of Python's frozenset. It may not come up in every project, but when you need a hashable, immutable, and set-like data structure, it's exactly the right tool for the job. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Python tips, and let us know in the comments how you might use frozenset in your next project. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy coding.